Akshita. How are you doing?
I'm doing very well, ma'am. What about you?
I'm doing great. Okay, Akshita, as you are applying for the software trainee position in our company, which is TCS, tell me something about yourself.
Okay, as you already know, my name is Akshita Gupta. The meaning of my name is constant, and so I am. I have maintained a constant academic record since schooling. I belong to Indore, and currently I'm pursuing BTech in Computer Science from Sushila Devi Bansal College of Technology with current aggregate of 8.3 CGPA. From the very beginning of my 10th standard, I had a great interest in numerical ability as well as computer skills. So I chose BTech as my career objective. Talking about my technical skills, I have knowledge of C, C++, Java, data structure, and MySQL too. I have a basic knowledge of HTML, CSS, JavaScript as well. And talking about my trainings and certifications, I have completed my training in data structure, C from IIT Bombay X, and currently I'm pursuing training in Java from college itself. I see myself as an organized and a detailed person.
Okay,
And
Akshita, there are many students who have applied for this position in our company, which is TCS. Tell me two genuine reasons, or tell me two qualities of yours that makes you different from those candidates.
As I have just started my career in computer science, I can tell you that from the very beginning of my academics, I have been very constant. I have maintained a constant academic record that is above 75 or 80%. So I have been constant throughout my journey. And also, I am the candidate who prefer to complete her work before deadline. I don't wait for the work to meet the deadline, but I prefer to do it before that.
That is great. So if I ask you that why should I hire you, how will you reply to it?
So as I've just said, I've just started my career in computer science. Don't have many practical achievements to talk about. So this gives me the liberty to explore my potential by giving best to the organization. From my educational qualification and my technical skills, I can assure you that I'm best fit for this role. I'm a hardworking and a dedicated person. I'm a quick learner, and I will definitely give my best to the organization by doing in whatever manner I can.
Okay, great. Why did you choose TCS to build your career? Why not any other company? Why
As
TCS?
okay, as TCS is one of the leading MNC, we have all heard the name of TCS, and TCS is best known for its training and courses. So I believe that by joining TCS, I will be enhancing my skills and I can get my skills over polished.
That is good.
And I believe that it is the best start for my career.
Great. Can you tell me something about your projects and internships in detail?
So, ma'am, I have recently made a project naming News Portal. I named that project Witness Daily. The reason I chose that project is that in today's era, it is very important to stay updated about whatever happening around the world. And as we can see in today's generation, not everyone has much time to read the newspapers and all, but everyone is internet on all the day. So I made this project that by just being on that website, you can get updated about all the thing. In this project, I played the role of leader as well as I played the role of a backend developer. I developed the whole backend process for this as well as database. And under my, I have been the leader for this project, so I distributed the task as well.
Great. Can you tell us something about your hobbies?
Right, my hobbies include cooking, which I recently developed in lockdown. Other than this, I love uh, listening to music, and that's it.
Okay, thank you so much.